Hello grade 10th student. So now we're going to solve exercise 4.4. So if we see the exercise 4.4 of quadratic equation, it is given to you, find the nature of the roots of the following quadratic equation, and if the real roots exist, find them. So like quadratic equation is given to us like 2x square minus 3x plus 5 equal to 0. So now we have to find real roots or not. So we can compare with the general equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So here the a value is how much? 2, b value is how much? Minus 3, and c value is how much? 5. So to find out real or not, so we have to find the discriminant. D formula is b square minus 4ac. So our d value is b is what? Minus 3 square minus 4ac. A is like how much? 2, and c is how much? 5. So if we solve it, it will be 9. And 5 into it is 10, and 10 4 is 40. So here if you see, if we subtract this, so we are getting here minus 31. So here d is less than 0. So we'll write equation as no real roots, because d is coming less than 0. Now see the second part. Here in the second part it is given to you 3x square minus 4 root 3x plus 4 equal to 0. So again we compare with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. A value is how much? 3, and b value is how much? 4 root 3, and c value is how much? 4. So now d we can calculate. D formula is like b square minus 4ac. So if you calculate d, it is like minus 4 root 3 whole square minus 4ac. So here if we calculate, if we take the square of 4, it is 16, and root 3 is 48. So it will come 48 minus 4 for the 60, 4 for 16 into 3, 48. So here we are getting d equal to 0. So when d equal to 0, it means that real and equal roots. And in the question it is given to you find them. So when real and equal roots, so we can easily find them. If you notice, how can we find them? If you see, equation is given to 3x square minus 4 root 3x plus 4, because real and equal roots we can easily find. See, you can write this term like root 3x square, and here you can write 2 square, and here you can write 2ab. 2a is how much? Root 3x, and b is this. So it is, see, easily expressed. A square b square minus 2ab. 2a term is this, and b term is this. So this become a formula for root 3x minus 2 whole square formula. Getting? So your two roots will be like one is this and other will be this. Alright, now you can easily find the root like x minus 2 equal to 0. Here root 3x minus 2 equal to 0. So your root will be like 2 upon root 3, and x equal to 2 upon root 3. So you can easily come to know these are the real and equal roots. Now see the third part. Third part is given to you 2x square minus 6x plus 3 equal to 0. Now again you can compare with the general equation like ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So a value is 2, b value is how much? Minus 6, and c value is how much? 3. So you have to find d. D formula is like b square minus 4ac. So b is how much? Minus 6 whole square. 4a is 2, and c is how much? 3. So it will be like 36, and it is like 4 into 2 is 8, and 8 is 16, 3 is 24. And now you will get the value 6 minus 4 is how much? 2, and 3 minus 2 is 1 is 12. So now because d is coming greater than 0, so you will write real roots. What root? Real roots. Now we can easily solve by using a Siddhacharya formula. So Siddhacharya formula is like minus b plus minus root d upon 2a is the Siddhacharya formula we have. So x minus b is how much? Minus 6 you have, and here you have d is 12. So and 2 into 2. So you can easily explain, this will be 6 plus minus. It will be 4 root 6, it will come 2 root 3 out, and here we have 4. So 2 you can take common, 2 into 3 is 6, and root 3, 2 I have taken common, so it will cut, 2 will come here. So your one factor will be like 3 plus root 3 upon 2 and other will be 3 minus root 3 upon 2. So these are the factors. So this is a way to find how to check like real roots, equal roots, and how to factorize it. Now quickly note it down, everyone. Now we can go to the question number 2. It's very simple only. Quadratic equations is a very scoring chapter actually, and easy also. One time you can practice thoroughly, and all the NCERT questions are very important, because basically in CBSE NCERT questions are more important. Alright, now if you go to the question number 2 here, and the question number 2 is very simple. Now it is given, find the value of k for each of the following quadratic equation so that they have equal roots. Now we have to find the value of k, and it is already given the question, the particular equation has a real and equal roots. So real and equal roots when d is given to u equal to 0. So equation is given to you 2x square plus kx plus 3 equal to 0. Now you can compare ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. A value is how much? 2, b value is how much? K, and c value is how much? 3. Alright, now in the question it is already given equal roots. Equal roots. अभी आपको क्या कहता है, क्वेश्चन में गिवन दे रखा है, तो वी नो द कंडीशन फॉर इक्वल रूट d इक्वल टू इज 0. So now d equal to 0 formula is like b square minus 4ac, and we have to compare with 0. So b value we have k whole square minus 4, a is how much? 2, and c is how much? 3. So it is like k square, 4 to 8, 8 is 24. So k square equal to how much? 24, and now we have to take the square root of 24. So you already know how to factorize, like 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So you can come to your value k will be plus minus 2 root 6. So this is your k value. Now second part is given to you, kx and x minus 2 plus 6 equal to 0. Now if you multiply, it will be like kx square minus 2kx plus 6 equal to 0. Now compare with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. A value is how much? K, b value is how much? Minus 2k, and c value is how much? 6. And now again we have to compare d equal to 0, equal roots, and it is given to the question, the equation has equal roots. So we can apply this condition, d equal to 0. So d value is how much? B square minus 4ac equal to 0. B value is how much? Minus 2k whole square minus 4a is what? K, and c is what? 6. So if you take the square, it will be like 4k square, and it is 4k, it will be like 6 for the 24k. So what can we do from both? We can take common 4k, so it will be k, and 4 6 are 24. Alright, so from here this will go to 0. Once we get k equal to 0, I mean 4k equal to 0, and k minus 6 equal to 0. So one value you get k equal to 0, and other you get k equal to 6. So these are the value of k. Quickly copy it down, everyone. Now we can do question number 3 of exercise 4.4. Now if you see in the question number 3, 4.4, it is given, it is possible to design a rectangular mango grove whose length is twice its breadth and the area is 800 meter. If so, we can check it. So it is given, एक आपके पास क्या rectangular क्या है, हमें mango grove के लिए करना था, एक rectangle हमने ले लिया. All right, and it is he is saying whose length is twice its breadth. Whose length is twice its breadth. तो आप कंसीडर कर लो कि आपकी breadth कितनी है? x है. So length is coming twice of it, and area is given to you how much? 800 meter square. So he is asking, you can check it is possible or not. So we can check it. So firstly here we can write, let the breadth be x meter, that is given, and length is already given in the question, it is twice its breadth. The length be how much? 2x. And now area is already given to you. So according to like area formula is what, like L into B. So area is already given to how much, 800, length is 2x and breadth is x. So it is given to you 800 is equal to 2x square. So if you find the value of x, if you divide it, so you will get x square is equal to 400, and if you take the square root of 400, so we already know 400 is the square of what, 20 into 20. So x value will come like plus minus 20. So we will take only x equal to 20, reason being length can never be negative. So yes, it is possible. So if this breadth is this and length will be how much, twice of x, it means 2 into 20, and that will be 40. So yes, it is possible. So it is possible to form this. Now number 4th. Now if you see the question number 4th, it is given in the following situation, is the following situation possible? If so, determine their present age. The sum of the ages of two friends is 20. 4 years ago, the product of their ages in year was 48. तो दो दोस्त हैं, उनकी एज दोनों का सम कितना रखा आपको दे रखा है इन्होंने 20. तो आप लिखो लेट द एज ऑफ वन फ्रेंड, लेट द एज ऑफ वन फ्रेंड मान लो आपने ले लिया x years. So other friend age will be how much, 20 minus x. Alright, 20 minus x years. अब ना क्वेश्चन में कह रहा है व्हाट इज 4 ईयर अगो, 4 साल पहले, तो इसकी एज से 4 ईयर माइनस कर देंगे, एंड दूसरे वाले की एज से भी हमें कितना माइनस करना है, 4 ईयर का. ये कह रहा है 4 साल पहले दोनों की एज का प्रोडक्ट. इफ यू टॉक अबाउट द प्रोडक्ट, इट इज कमिंग हाउ मच, 48. It is coming how much, 48. Now we have to calculate this. It is x minus 4 and it is 16 minus x equal to 48. So if you multiply, it will be like 16x minus x square minus 64 and plus 4x equal to 48. Alright, so here we have minus x square and this will be like plus 20x, and if I shift this value 48 this side, so 8 plus 4 is 12, carry 1, 10 and 1, 1, 2. So now if you take the common negative, so this will become negative 10 and this will become 112 equal to 0, and the negative sign is already go to 0. So with general equation, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So a value is 1, b value is minus 20 and c value is given to 1, 1, 2. So we know discriminant formula is like b square minus 4ac. So here b value is like minus 20 square, 4, a means 1 and c is given to 1, 1, 2. So it will be like 400 minus, if you multiply it, it will come 448. So from here we calculated d value is coming minus this, which is less than 0. So if it is less than 0, so not possible, no real roots will be there, so it will write not possible. In this question it is asking this situation is possible, so answer is not possible. Quickly note it down everyone. Now we can move to question number 5, last question of this exercise. Alright everyone, so now see the question number 5th. Now in the question number 5th, it is given it is possible to design a rectangular park of perimeter, means like a rectangular park is given to you A, B, C, D, and it is given to you perimeter. Perimeter is given to you how much, 80. So you already know perimeter formula is like 2L plus B is how much given to 80. So it means that L plus B is given to you how much, 40. So if I let the length be x, if I consider the length, let the length be x meter. If I consider length will be x meter, so x, so breadth value will be how much? Breadth be 40 minus x. So how much breadth will come, like 40 minus x. Understood everyone? Now in the other part it is given and the area is 400 meter. So now according to the question, area is given to how much, 400 meter square. Abhi you already know area formula is L into B. Now here the length is you have x and breadth you have 40 minus x. So now we have to check the factors are possible or not. So 40x minus x square equal to 400. So if I am shifting this value that side, x will be positive, minus 40x and plus 400 equal to 0. So yes, factors are possible because we know 20 the 400. So here we'll write like, we can write like this, 20 plus 20x plus 400 equal to 0. So x square minus 20x plus 400 equal to 0. Alright, so from here if we take common x, so it will be x minus 20 we can common, so it will be like x minus 20 equal to 0. So x minus 20 and x minus 20 equal to 0. So x equal to 20 will come if we compare with 0. One step I have written directly. So we come to know, yes, it is possible. So now we understand length will be how much. If you put the value of x, the length will be how much, 20, and breadth will be 40 minus 20, so it will be 20 meter. So it is possible. So here your chapter is over. So my expectation from you all, you make sure whenever you practice the exercises, just practice it thoroughly, do at least 2-3 times practice, and all the NCERT questions are very important for the board examination, and this chapter is very scoring. Okay, thank you.